Okay, well, this is a little different. I've got the soldering gun outside here because I've decided to do soldering from now on outside and clean fresh air to reduce hazardous inhalations. So we're looking now at the GG1 to see what this prior owner did, and for some god-awful reason, he soldered onto this screw. This screw bolt holds the large truck frame. I took the wheels off because I wanted to see inside if he had insulated it. Again, because with DCC sometimes you have to insulate. He's added all kinds of weird things. Like he's added these 2 pieces of plastic. There's really no reason for that. I would maybe try to remove it, but I want to see what he's done first. And again, that screw bolt, if you could see that one pivot point, I gotta take that solder off so I could remove it. And I'm not gonna be able to solder and hold the camera. It's too many things because I need to be able to flick the molten solder off that screw bolt. So I'm just letting you know how this is proceeding. But sometimes, now this wiring that doesn't look sloppy, but it's actually pretty much on point. It's mimicking the other Rivarossi wiring, so it's on point. That loose black wire here, this is supposed to be attached to that point. That will do, but after I remove this. So we'll be back. Thanks for watching. This is Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies. Please like and subscribe, and again, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, the dog's there too. Okay, bye for now.